Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, your video card does not meet the system requirements to run the game with this error code, ERR SYS SYSREQ GPU, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to these links. I'm going to put both of these links into the description of the video. And now once you're on both of these links, you're going to download this D3D12 from here, and you're going to download this DirectX software from here. And once you're done downloading both of these files, you're going to install the DirectX version. Once you're done installing the DirectX, you're going to click onto these three dots and click keep. Don't worry, this is safe. Click open file location. Now copy this file into your GTA's directory and just paste it on here. And once you're done pasting it and installing this DirectX, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play GTA 5, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.